To the best of my knowledge, the pizza farm started out in the Midwest region of the United States. I'm not really sure if it's taken off elsewhere. Think about this, upper Midwest, we have heavy winters, and people who live up here, we really love to enjoy the brief bits of warm weather that we have. And so people are always trying to be outside, and I think that's one of the influences of pizza farms becoming a thing here. I got my glass here, got my corkscrew. All right, we'll see you later, bud.
All right.
We are on the road. We took a pit stop on the way. This is beautiful Lake Pepin. We're halfway there. Holy cow.
This is...
So I was first introduced to the concept of a pizza farm about 10 years ago. A cook at my restaurant told me that she had been to one, and I had no idea what a pizza farm meant. And she explained it to me, and basically the best way I can describe it is someone is facilitating your picnic, right? So you bring your blanket, you bring beer or wine, you bring cheers, napkin, you bring your own garbage bag so you're not leaving your trash at the farm. And they make the food. I think this is why so many people are coming to pizza farms in the Midwest. You're basically picnicking out in the country with your family and friends. It's beautiful outside, beautiful summer night. You're having good food and drink and just enjoying yourself. I got our pizza order in, went and found a place to sit down while it's cooking. It's gonna be ready in about 30 minutes, so I'm gonna enjoy this beautiful countryside. I don't think those cows are gonna go hungry. That's a lot of pasture for 3 cows. All right. Pepperoni and fennel sausage, and right here I got cilantro pesto with chilies, and finally this is the lamb sausage with roasted eggplant. So pizza farms come in all different shapes and sizes, and there's ones that are strictly focused on the pizza, but there's also ones that are using a lot of stuff grown on site. Sometimes they're even making their own pepperoni and sausage. Okay, it looks like 2 more moved in on their turf. This will be interesting. These pizzas look really great. I can't wait to eat them. So I got 3 pizzas tonight, and I'm gonna say you can never, ever, ever, ever go wrong with pepperoni and sausage on a pizza. But tonight, the cilantro pesto as the sauce base was a revelation, and the lamb sausage with the roasted eggplant gave a really nice additional texture and some sweetness to the spiciness of the sausage. This was amazing. So, thanks for joining. I appreciate you joining us for us experiencing a pizza farm here for the first time.